this is Shait and welcome to my channel that is Simple Maths. So in this class we are going to solve problems related to class 8 first chapter playing with numbers exercise 1.1. So let's get started. Yes, exercise 1.1. Here they have given as exercise 16.1 but actually it is exercise 1.1. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. So first one, 3a plus 25 is equal to b2. Here we have to find the values of b and a. So let's write 3a plus 3a plus 25 is equal to b2. So we had to find here the values of a and b. Here they have given that if we add a number a with 5, we are going to get a number which has the unit digit as 2. Okay, the unit digit as 2. So we can assume that this 2 may be of 12, 22, 32, 42, etc. But let's take the least number as 12. Okay. So a plus 5 should come 12. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's assume that the value of a is 7 and 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, 1 carry and 3 and 2 as it is, plus symbol as it is. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So the value of b is 6. A value is 7 and b value is 6. So at last let's write, which implies the value of a is equal to 7 and the value of b is equal to 6. So we have solved. Next one. Second one, 4a plus 9, 8 is equal to CB3. Okay. So here also, as the first one we solved, here also the same step. If we add a and 8, a number should come whose unit digit is 3. It could be 13, 23, 33, 43 or so on. Okay. 43 or so on. So but let's take the least number, that is 13. Okay. Let's assume that this 3 is the unit digit of number 13. So if we add a and 8, it should come 13. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we got 5. So the value of a may be 5 and 8 will be 13. Okay, 13. And 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 14. So C value is 1 and B value is 4. Okay. So let's write it once again. 4, 5 plus 9, 8 is equal to 1, 4, 3. So here there was A, B and C, and we have found that is A value is 5, B value is 4 and C value is 1. So let's write it. A value is 5, B value is 4 and C value is 1. So we have solved second one. Now let's go for third one. 1a into a is equal to 9a. So here only we had to find the value of A. So if we take 12 into 2 is equal to 92, but it's wrong. 12 twos are 24, not 92, so not 12. Let's take 1 3 into 3. Let's take value as a 3. Okay, a is equal to 3. We'll get 9 3, but 13 3 is another value is there, so it is not 13 also. Let's take 14. It is not 94 also. 14 fours are not 94, so it's not 14 also. Then 15. 15 into 15, it is not 95. Okay, so it is also wrong. Next, let's take 16. 16 into 6, 96. Yes, it's correct. So 16 6 is 96, and we'll get the a value as same. A is 6. So we have solved this. So the value of a is 6. Okay, next. Yes, fourth one, ab plus 37 is equal to 6a. So here they have not given the value of b and also the a, but they have given 3 7 and 6. So if as unit digit is a, maybe something 1a only it will be there. Okay, so 1a, if when these two digits will be added, 1a will be coming, and a will be as it is here, and 1 will be go here. Okay, so 1 and 1 plus 3 is 4, but we want to get 6, so let's take the value of a as 2. Okay, so the value of a, let's take as 2. So b plus 7 is equal to 12. It should come 12. Okay. And 2 and 3 is 6. So what could be the value of b? So if we add b plus 7, if we get 12 means, so after 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So b value is 5. Let's write it once again. 2 5 plus 3 7 is equal to 6 2. We have found the value of b is 5, the value of a is 2. So our answer is correct. Let's write it. The value of a is 2 and the value of b is 5. We have found. Next, fifth one, ab into 3 is equal to CAB. So if it is like this means it may be 50 only, because here A and B is there in the question, and in the answer also A and B will be there with a number added C. Okay. So A and B, it is a two-digit number. Two-digit number, if we multiply with 3, we will get 3-digit number, and in that 3-digit number the tens and unit place is the question itself. So it is so easy that let's take the value of a as 5 and b is 0 and 3 as it is, and 53 is 150. So here the question also AB we got, and in the answer also AB we got. So we have found the answer, that is the value of A is 5, the value of B is 0, and the value of C is 1. So we have found. Okay, next, AB into 5 is equal to CAB. It is a little bit similar, right? AB into 5 is equal to CAB. The same thing in the question is also in the answer. Okay, so let's take 50 only. Here also we took 50 in the fifth question also. Let's take for 6 also 50 only. So 55 is how much? We'll get 250. And the question and answer we got 50-50 as it is, and the 2 is extra. So we solved this problem. So value of A is 5, B is 0, and C is 2. This problem can be solved in another way also. AB into 5 is equal to CAB, right? So here A, let's take A and B as 25 and 5. So 25 5s are 125, and the question 25 5s are 125. So the question and the answer we got 25. So the answer also will be like this: A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 1. It could be solved like this also. Both are correct. The seventh one. AB into 6 is equal to B. So here in the question, what we took B should be in the answer B. Yes. So here B should be repeated 3 times in the answer. There is one number called 74. If we multiply 74 into 6, we get 444, but not the all other numbers. So let me write neatly. 74 into 6 is 444. If you want, verify it. Okay. So the last answer is A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 4. So we have found the answer. Next one. This is so easy. A1 plus 1B is equal to B0. Very easy. So we have got 0 here. So in unit digit we got 0, and 1 and 0 1 plus b should come 0. It may be 10, 20, 30 or 40. Okay. So let's assume it as 10. So if it is 10, here 0 and 1 carry. Okay. So 1 plus b is 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 9. So B value is 9 is equal to 0, and A plus 1 plus A plus 1 is equal to B. So B is equal to 9, right? We have found here. So 90 is the answer. If we add 1 plus 1 is 2. For 2, if we add a number, if we add a number called A, we are going to get 9. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the A value is 7. Okay, let me write it neatly. 7, 9, and 1 plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, it was so easy. So the value of A is 7 and the value of B is 9. So we have found this answer. Next, 2AB. 2AB, it is not Z, it is 2. 2AB plus AB1, we are going to get B18. It's so easy. Wait. B plus 1 should be 8. So there is only one number called 7. If we add 7 plus 1 is 8. So B value is 7 plus 1 is 8. Next. Next. A and B is equal to 1. So 1. The unit is the tens digit the unit digit of a two digit number is 1. So let us assume adds 11, 1 here and 1 here. Okay, so if we add a and b, we should get 11. Already we have found the b value, that is 7. So 7 plus a should come 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the value of a is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 1 carry. Next, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus a is equal to b. B value is 7. Okay, b value is 7. So 3 and a if we add means we should get 7. And here already we got the value of a, that is 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So our answer is correct. Let me write it neatly. 2, 4, 7 plus 4, 7, 1 is equal to 7, 1, 8. We have found the answer. Now let's write it. Therefore, which implies the value of A is 4 and the value of B is 7. Yes, we have found this. Next, the last and the final question, I hope. The 10th one. 1 to A, it is not Z, it is 2. 1 to A plus 6AB is equal to A09. Here also 2A and B if we add means we should get 9. Okay. Let's assume that 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. 8 plus 1, let's assume A as 8 and B as 1 and we'll get 9. And here 2 and A is equal to 0. So already A value we have found that 8. So 2 plus 8 is 0, that is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10 and 1 will be carried. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Again we got 8 again in 8th place. So 8. So let me write it neatly. 1 to 8 plus 6, 8, 1 is equal to 8, 8, 0, 9. So see here we got 8, 8, 8 and 1 B here. Okay. See here A and 8, 8, 8. Okay. So which implies the value of A is 8 and the value of B is 1. So we have found it. So we have finished exercise 16.1. It was so easy. Yes, now we have found exercise 1.1. Let's go to exercise 1.2. Here they have given 16.2 but it is 1.2. Okay. So before going to this exercise, I will say some important points, that is tests of divisibility. Before solving this exercise, we must and should know these tests of divisibility. Tests of divisibility. Okay. Let me select another color. You'll be bored. Let me select blue. Okay. So tests of divisibility. So there are some rules, there are some tests to find that is a number divisible by 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. Now let's assume that we have got 2, 1, 2. From which it is divisible? we will do division step. 2 1 2 is divisible. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, and we'll get 0 0 0, and here 16. Oh, now we understood that it is divisible by 1 2 2 1 2 1 2 is divisible by 2. It's so difficult, right? So it is, we can find is it divisible by a certain number. There are some rules called divisibility rules, and I will tell you one by one. Let me take pink. Pink. Okay. So 2. The divisibility rule for 2 is if the last digit is divisible if last digit wait if last digit is divisible by is even or 0. If last digit is even or 0, then it is divisible by 2. Then it is divisible by the one and only 2. Wait. The one and only 2, it is divisible. So let me give some example. 12, 100, 2220, 360. Okay, so here 12, the last digit is even, 2 is even, so it is divisible by 2. Here the last digit is 0, then it is divisible by 2. Here also it is 0, then it is divisible by 2. Here it is also 0, then it is divisible by 2. Then 36, here it is an even number and it is divisible by 2. So if the last digit is even or odd, not odd, even or 0, then only it is divisible by 2, or else it is not divisible by 2. Next, the divisibility rule for 3. 3 is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. For example, 1 2 3 2 6 1. So there are numbers. So we won't see here the last digit. We will just add up these numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. So this 1 2 3 number is divisible by 3. Then 2 6 1, 2 plus 6 plus 1, and we get 9. So 9 is divisible by 3, and this 2 6 1 is divisible by 3. So this is the divisibility rule for 3. Next, divisibility rule for 4. The 4 divisibility rule, if the last 2 digits are divisible by 2, are divisible by not 2, are divisible by 4. Okay, if last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So 2 1 2, 3 2 4, 2 2 8. So here we won't see the last digit, or we won't add up the numbers. We just see the last 2 digits. We see the last digit, that is 12, 24 and 28. Yes, 12 is divisible by 4. uh, 4 threes are 12, and 24 is also divisible by 4, and 28 also divisible by 4. Then there's 2 1 2, 3 2 4, and 2 2 8 is divisible by 4. So this is the divisibility rules of 4 and 5. The divisibility rule for 5: if the last digit is 0 or 5, 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. So for example 25, 100, 1005, and so on. So here we see that 5, the last digit is 5. Here 0 and 5. So 5 0 5. The last digit is 5 or 0, then it is divisible by 5. Okay. Next, the divisibility rule for 6. Divisibility rule for 6: if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So now when the certain number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. For example, 12. Okay, 120, 12, 18, and so on. So we have to use here both 2 and 3 divisibility rules. 2 divisibility rule is if the last digit is even or 0. So 120, the last digit is even. So it is divisible by 2. And 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3. So 3 is divisible by 3, and 120 is also divisible by 3. So the number 120 is divisible by both 2 and 3, and so we say that this number is divisible by 6 also. The 12 also same way. It is divisible by both 2 and 3. 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So it is divisible by both 2 and 3, and it is divisible by 6. 18 also same. 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18. So it is divisible by both 2 and 3, and 18 is divisible by 6 too. So this is the divisibility rule for 6. And 7 is little bit different. You concentrate more on 7. 7 twice the unit digit. Twice the unit digit of a number minus the remaining part of a given number. Remaining digits of a number. Okay. So here we have to if a number is A, B, C, we have to multiply C 2 times, C into C, and we have to minus this product of C and C with A and B. So this is the divisibility rule of 7. Let me give you an example. 147. So here twice the given digit, twice the unit digit of a given number. 7 we have to multiply 2 times. 7 into 7 minus subtract the remaining part of a given number, that is 14. 7 sevens are 49 minus 14. 49 minus 14 is 35. So 35, 7 5 is 35. 35 is divisible by 7, and this 147 is also divisible by 7. So this is a divisibility rule for 7. And 8, it is so easy. It is similar to 2 and 4. In 2, we have to see the last digit is divisible even or 0. In 4, if last two digits are divisible by 4, but in 8, the last three digits should be divisible by 8. It is so easy. Let me give you some example. 792 is divisible. Okay, 1792. 792 is divisible by 8. So 1792 is also divisible by 8. 83416. 416. So here 416 is divisible by 8. So 83416 is also divisible by 8. Next, 36144. Here 144 is divisible by 8. So 36144 is also divisible by 8. So this is the divisibility rule for 8. And 9 you have to give more concentration, and it's so simple also. 9 divisibility rule, it is in exercise also. 9. If the sum, it is it is the same divisibility rule which was for 3. That is, the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. Okay, then it is divisible by 9. I will give an example. 135. So let's add it. 1 plus 3 plus 5, and we are going to get 9. So 9 is divisible by 9, and 135 is also divisible by 9. Next, 855. Here 855, 8 plus 5, which is 18, and 18 also divisible by 18 is divisible by 9. So 855 is divisible by 9. Next, the last and final number, that is 10. 10. If the last digit is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. So 240, 100, 560, 1000. The difference between 5 and 10 divisibility rule is, in 5 divisibility rule, we have, if the last digit is 0 or 5, but in the divisibility rule for 10, the last digit should be 0, and these all number last digit is 0. So this whole number is divisible by 10. So now let us go for the exercise problems. Now let us go for exercise 1.2, that here they have given 16.2. If 21y5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So the divisibility rule for 9 is, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So 21y5, it is a multiple of 9. Okay, so here y is a digit, it is a number. What is the value? What is the value of y? So let us use the formula given 21y5, right? 21y5 divisibility rule for 9 is, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So we will write here. So so 21y5 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. If we add 2 plus 1 plus 5, we are going to get 8. we'll get 8 plus y. So 8 plus y should come a number which is divisible by 9. So 8 plus 0 is 8, but 8 is not divisible by, not in the table of, it is not a multiple of 9. So 8 plus 0 is 8, so it is not divisible. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, where 9 is divisible by 9. So we have found that the value of y is 1. So y is equal to 1. Hence 21y5 is equal to 2115. Okay, the value of y is 1. So we have found. Next, let's go to the second one. Second one is, if 31z5 is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit, what is the value of z? The same thing. There 21y5 was there. Here 31z5. Here we have to find the value of z. So we will just write the same thing what we wrote. Given 31y5 and the divisibility rule of 9 also you write. I won't write here. Write the divisibility rule for 9. And next write as it is what I write. So 31z5 is equal to 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. 3 plus y plus z plus 5. We are getting 9 plus z. 9 plus z. 9 plus z. If we take the value of z as 0, 9 plus 0 is 9, where 9 is also divisible by 9. So it can be 0 also. The value of z may be 0 also. And if 9 plus z, where 9 plus 9 is also 18, and 18 is also divisible by 9. So we can take as z is equal to 0 or 9. Okay, 0 or 9. So hence 31z5 is equal to 3105 or 3195. Okay, next. Here third one, they only have given the question and they only have given the answer, so no need to solve. Let me read it. If if 2 for x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Since 2 for x is a multiple of 3, its sum of digits is 6 plus x is a multiple of 3. 6 plus x, where x is a multiple of 3. So 6 plus x is one of these numbers. 6 plus 0, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 6 plus 9, 6 plus 12, 6 plus 15, 6 plus 18. But since x is a digit, it can be only that. Since x is a unit digit, only one digit, not a number of digits, so x could be 6 plus x is equal to 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. Therefore x is equal to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Thus x can have any of 4 different values. So 2 for x is a digit, x is a digit. So if we add 4 plus 2, we are going to get 6, and x plus 6, a value should come which should be divisible by 3. So we can take 6 plus 0, 6 plus, sorry, we can take 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, is divisible by 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, it is divisible by 3. 6 plus 6 is 12, it is divisible by 3. 6 plus 9 is 6 plus 9 is 15, and it is divisible by 3. If we take 6 plus 12 also, it is divisible by 3, but x is only one digit. It's not xx, it is only x. So it could be only one digit number, that is x could be 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. Next, if 31z5 is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what might be the value of z? Values of z. See here, values of z. They are not given only value, values. Maybe like the above one, here also 4 or 5 values are there. We don't know. So let us find 31z5. We should write given 31z5. Divisibility rule for 3 you have to write. Okay, I'm not writing. You know, right? That is what was we wrote for first and second. That only the same rule for 3, but it should be divisible by 3, not 9. Okay. So right. So 31z5 is equal to 9 plus z. The values of the values of z could be the values of z could be 9 plus 0, which is 9, 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12, 9 plus 6, which is equal to 9 plus 6 is equal to 12, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So the value of z, or just write, the value of z might be 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Okay, so hence 31z5 is equal to 3105, 3135, 3165, 3195. So we have found the value of z. So how was my teaching? Please comment and like my video. Share my video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more videos and like my video. Thank you so much for watching this.